Hey, a quick shout out to those of you who've taken advantage of this special offer of a 6T free gift, a voucher for 20 bucks for any accessories you order when you buy your new OnePlus 6T on Thanksgiving or Black Friday or Cyber Monday or any time in between. Whatever else they bundle in the package, you still can take an additional 20 bucks off of the accessories you add by using this URL. And we're about to see what the package looks like. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Looks like purple is the new pink. That's right. Greetings and welcome to SmartWatch Ticks. It's a really exciting day because I get to unbox Mrs. Tick's new phone. This is exactly what you'll get if you decide you want to order this OnePlus 6T with the special $20 bonus for buying any accessory you'd like the extra charging cable, which is what I got with this one. And we're going to unbox it. This is the new color. This is the purple one. This, wow, is what we've been waiting for. I got my stuff covered here with all my magic numbers. I know you're not supposed to see some of them, but I don't know which ones. And now, oh, I'm off camera. There we go. We're going to slid into this plastic and get this thing open. All right. I love unboxings because it's like Christmas. Now, don't be fooled when you get the box and it has 6 on it and not 6T. Again, this is Mrs. Tick's one. I've already had mine to play with for a while. Got her all excited about it. So I've been through this once. You guys get to go through it now. So there's a little cover on it. This is what it says. And then when you do this and you've got it open, you can open the box. Now this is one really sturdy, solid cardboard box. It's not anything flint. Why? You want to see the phone? Come on, don't you want to? All right. I am really bad on Christmas morning, the way I play with stuff. Okay, there it is. This is the presentation. It's telling you it's got that fingerprint scanner thing right there before you even get started. And there's a little pull-up handle that lets you lift it out of a little plastic tray sitting here. Okay, we've got the, we can take this off. It's talking about using this area of the screen for doing your fingerprint sensing. And when we turn it over, yeah, I got all my special numbers. Oh, look at that. There it is in purple. It's got this whole purple sheen to it. Oh, nice. That is sweet. Here's a little descriptor thingy here that we can pull off to reveal even, wow. Oh, love it. It is kind of pink, huh? Purple is the new pink. Okay, let's see what else we've got in the box. I'll set that aside too. When you get in here, you lift that out and you see that you can open it up from here. Okay, look. It comes with a squeaky, oh, don't you just love that? A squeaky case. It's got a plastic case and it's got the manual? No? Oh, okay, so you got this case that you can put on it, and right now that's all I'm using on mine, but I'm looking for some other fun ones. Maybe I'll get some more from the accessories because they've got some cool cases you can get right from OnePlus. It's got this thing that when you open it, wow. Wow. It goes deeper and deeper. Aw, how cute. It's the little SIM eject thing, so you can put your SIM card in it for your phone. It's got a little OnePlus safety information brochure that we're not going to spend a lot of time on. And then it's got this, like a quick start guide or something. Wow, wow. All right, looks like it's upside down. It tells you kinda how everything works. Can you read it? It's in different languages. Okay. Well, I think we're gonna go through a lot of this together. Backside is just plain red. Unlock the speed. Never settle. Yep, it's definitely OnePlus. Okay, so you've got all of that, and then there's more. Oh, Warning, I'm a flagship killer. Cool. Proud member of the OnePlus community. My friends call me for tech support. Ooh, nice. Please don't talk to me. My alert slider is set to silent. You get your own Christmas stickers along with it as well. Okay, that's inside the box. There's more. There's an invitation letter in the box, too. Uh-oh, more things are falling out. Is there a letter? A word from the OnePlus CEO. I'm not going to open that. I'm going to let you read that on your own when you get yours. Besides, I want Mrs. Tix to open that. There is the high-capacity power charging device thing for USA. Yeah, it's this combined with this that lets you charge up in like nothing flat. This is the high-capacity charging wire. This puts out, what, 5 amps or something ridiculous? That can charge the phone really, really quickly. And then there's a little dongle that you can use to plug in the bottom of the phone and give you a headphone jack so you can plug in your manual kind of headphones. Yeah, they've gone away with the headphone jack. You know, I felt the same way about the 5.25 inch floppy disk. Oh God, am I dating myself? When they took that away from the PC and made it that little plastic 3-inch thing. And then they got away from floppy disks altogether and went to CDs. And now, just try and find a PC. Anyway, everything is streaming, and including the sound from Bluetooth to your headphones. But if you still use a wired one, you can use that wire. Okay, that's everything in the box. This is Mrs. Tick's beautiful new phone. You can see the purple on the sides. Look at that. Look at the buttons purple, and then it goes dark up at the top all the way around. Whoa, and then it picks up purple right at the power button. All across the bottom where the speakers are, there's the charging port. And at the top, what have we got? A microphone, and the speaker is like way up here. And there's that little cutout for the camera. And I don't know if you can see or not, but it has a screen protector already on here. And we are going to talk about that with relationship to the fingerprint sensor. And as for this one, well, Mrs. Tix is going to have fun unpacking it all over again on her own. All right, let's get serious about this machine. Here we go. This one's mine. This is the gray one. Very similar, same innards as Mrs. Tick's purple one. And I've been waiting 3 days to get this puppy down to 15% so we can see what happens as it does its power management stuff. And it will happen as we go through this, which we're going to start with the infamous fingerprint scanner. Yeah! I'm going to show you a lot of stuff like double tapping to close it, tapping once, tapping here. I've programmed 2 fingers already. I want to program another one so you guys can see what it's like. I can double tap the home button and turn it off as well if I'm in the middle of an app or something like that. So my thumb will open it. My finger will open it. So the next logical finger, well, just because I have it doesn't mean I need to use it, right? Logically, I'm not ever going to be using that finger, so I would most likely be using my thumb on the other hand. Now, on the other hand, look, it doesn't work. Now, it's so bright, I don't think you can see it, but when I press and hold it, I move off of it a little bit, you can see how bright the green circle is. I do it too many times and it comes in and wants me to put in my passcode because it knows I'm having problems. But you got this flashing thing going on around the outside, but in the central part, it's bright green. Now, you know what's going on there. See? Look, too many fingerprint things. It's now been disabled. So the only way I can get in is through my password as it fades out. Oh, it came back. No. Oh my gosh, I'm locked out. All right, we'll be back in a moment. Okay, I got back in. Oh, by the way, if you press too quickly, it's not going to work. It's probably going to lock me out again. So I'm going to press and hold it long enough, and then I can get into it. The trick was, after I totally got locked out, is I had to press the power button. That kind of reset everything, and then my fingerprint worked again. And didn't work again, but I could get into my password. Just to let you know, that's kind of the workaround. I was freaking out. All right, so what we're going to do is program my my left thumb, and I'm going to show you some tricks about doing that. So first thing we got to do, and that's how I swipe down my information stuff, my panel here. By the way, this is one of my watch tethering things, Y-Watch. A lot of you have heard that one, and it sometimes runs all the time in the background. If I tap here, I can either minimize it or keep it showing, and if I want to minimize it, I can press there. If I click information, it takes me to the whole app page where I could literally turn notifications off if I want to. Little tricks, little things. Battery saver's on. Okay, we must have hit 15%, and now it's on. Let's see if we can program a thumbprint even with the battery saver on. So we're here. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to minimize it. These notifications will be minimized. Okay, so we're not going to see it on there anymore, which I don't need to see, but it's still going to be in the background. Let's go into settings. When we are in settings, you've got all of this stuff, and we're going to be doing the button thing, right? So down here, buttons and gestures, but this is actually security. It's a fingerprint thing. So I go in here. This is the stuff I've got all set up. I'm going to go to fingerprint. I have 2 fingers set. Okay, got to enter my PIN. And I have finger 1 and finger 2. Now I'm going to add another fingerprint. Fingerprint setup, you got to re-enter it after each replacement of the protective film, which is, I guess, the sheet on the outside, so that it's at the right level when it sees the image. In a single setup process, please enter only 1 finger's fingerprint information, and that's what we're going to do. Now, I'm going to hit next, and it's ready for me to start doing the fingerprint acquisition. Here's the magic trick. You know, normally you're not just probably going to sit here and put your thumb on it like this. You're going to be holding it. So I'm going to hit the thing from the direction that I most likely will be using it, like here. Okay? It's dirty. Please wipe it clean. Maybe it's my thumb that's dirty. Okay, I did that. Let's try it again. All right, it got a little bit, you see? Now, I'm going to set it down like I was reaching across a table and doing it like from a variety of different positions, straight down. Okay, I'm going to pick it up again and hit it over here. Each time it's filling it out a little bit more. Sure, I'll get a flat one and even a little deeper one, although I probably never used that. Problem, I've seen a lot of people reporting that it's not as responsive as they would like it to be, and I'm saying it's because you're not touching and recording the part of the thumb that's important. There we go. Next. Continue to adjust it. It's expanding it to a little bit more. I'm going to hit the outside. I'm going to hit it this way. I'm going to hit it that way. It's filling in different parts of it. Down here, over there. Way at the very tip. Yep. Way up over here. Way over on this side. Come on already. It's doing a bunch. Okay, the fingerprint has been added. Now, so my left thumb and my right thumb will open this. Cool. Let's give it a try. Come out of here, lock it, tap it, and touch it. And I'm unlocked. Beautiful. There's an awesome video on the web. I'll have a clip down, or a link to it down in the show notes, that says what's going on underneath here. There's actually a camera underneath here, like that one, but it's a real tight close-up thing. And when you tap on here and it lights that up, it shines light brightly into your finger and takes a quick picture and matches that immediately against your registered finger and thumbprints, and unlocks you. And to me, it's like, go 1,000, not even a half a second. Go 1001. You learned that in school. That's how you count a second. So really fast. So that's the stuff about the thumbprint fingerprint scanner. And of course, if you and your children or your partner use the phone, it doesn't have to be your fingers, all of these. You just use the ones you most likely use and let them also record it with theirs. A finger's a finger, and then they can get into your phone too, if that's something that you want. All right, let's move on. So I've run this puppy down now all the way to 15%. And I like to charge it when it gets down to that low. I don't want to run it all the way out. And I also like to let it get all the way down so I'm getting good long life between recharges. What time is it? All right. Here's the power cord. Let's see how long it takes to charge up. I'm going to plug it in, begin the charging cycle, and I'll be back when it's fully charged. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Okay, 100%. This finger's not programmed, is it? But this thumb is now. Haha, yeah. Okay, here's some statistics for those of you who are interested in performance on this device. Weekly stats. Interesting. Okay, but that's not what I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you that it is now about this time. And I got sidetracked. So subtract 10 minutes off of that. About 3:03 was when it hit 100%. I was checking it now and then. And that's how long it took to give us now a full 3 days at the way I use it, which is pretty heavy, of continuous use before it needs charging again. That's all with this special high capacity charger that it comes stock with. Well, that's it for part 1 of this unorthodox review and unboxing of the cool purple 6T. Next time, we're going to delve into a couple of interesting things, like talking about customizing these buttons to do things like bring down the drop-down menu. And you know how you change brightness on this thing? And you've got to swipe down all the way to get down here where you have a slider bar for the brightness. That's a little awkward, isn't it? How would you like a little slider right here on the side that you can go full bright, although I've capped mine at 75%. It's plenty bright for me. Nice longer battery life. Or all the way down to 1%, or even negative brightness if you want to. Yep, it's a special app, and we'll go into the details of that one when we come back with part 2. In the meantime, if you don't have yours yet, once again, we got this little URL right here, a tinyurl.com, the 6T free gift. You get a $20 voucher off your purchase of accessories for your brand new OnePlus 6T when you order it. And hey, Thanksgiving or Black Friday or Cyber Monday, they're bundling all sorts of goodies with this, and you still get an extra 20 bucks to apply towards additional accessories like a case or a charger or the wire or whatever. So take advantage of it if you like, and stock up on these goodies while they're hot. We will see you again real soon, and thanks for your subscription, by the way. And if you're into phones, check out all the smartwatches we've got on this channel. That's the primary focus. Whoa. All right, see you again soon.